This is a simple guide for every beginners on how to make use of Binance app. Once you can make use of Binance app, then you can use any other exchange successfully. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your friend Shina Oladele. Let's get into the matter. So the first thing you see here, you can see home here. This is home. So under home, you can see favorites here. This is favorite. This favorite means that these are the list of the coins that I used to trade often. You can see PEP, LDO, AP13, 1inch, FTM. You can view more there under the favorites. So these are the coins I trade often under favorites. So after favorites, you can also see something like odds. This is odd. It means that the coins that have a high trading volume at the moment. Let's click on odds. You can see BNB is here. BNB, BTC, Ethereum, Doge, SRP, Pepe. You can view more under odds also. You can see all of them here. These are the odds coin for the moment, or at least for today, that have a huge trading volume. The next one, we can also see gainers. This is gainers. Let's click on gainers. So I click on gainers. This means that these are the coins that have gained so much in prices today. So you can see gainers, you can see OST, Sand, Beta, One, DYM, Mana. So these are the coins that have gained so much in prices today. So the next one is, you can see losers here. Losers. Let's click on losers. So these are the list of coins that have lost so much in prices today. These are the kind of coins that have lost so much in prices today. VTHO, Sushi, Troy, KSM, HBAR, XRP, Bonk. So these are the list of coins that have lost so much in prices today. So let me just tell you that if you want to buy a coin, just come to under losers here. Just pick a coin, although it's not that straightforward. You still need some knowledge about it to know the kind of coin that you have to buy, even though it is going down doesn't mean you should buy it, because there are a lot of things that is involved in buying that coin. So let's just move on. Let's just move on. So after loser, you can see new listing. This is new listing. Let's click on new listing. It means that the list of the coins that are just listed maybe a few days ago, few weeks ago, or that are about to be listed. So you can see Peanuts, ACT, you can see Cetus, Cow, KISCR. So you can also see something here, the 24-hour volume. This one is talking about how much the trading volume of these coins since the last 24 hours. So BTC is having 47 points, that's 47.96 billion, while it is having 28.88 billion. So this 24 hours volume is talking about the trading volume, that is how much has been pumped into this coin in the last 24 hours, the turnover of the inflow and the outflow. The next one, you can see market cap here. Market cap of any coin that you are seeing here. Let's click on market cap. So the market cap simply means the total number of the coins in circulation times the value per coin. So if the coin is $3 and total circulating supply of that coin is 1 million, so 1 million times $3, that is $3 million. So that's how they come about market cap. I also make a video about market cap. You can check it out in my under my YouTube channel. It will tell you much about market cap and how it affects the price of the coin you want to buy. So this is market cap. BTC is having 1.9 trillion market cap, 1.90 trillion market cap. It is having 399 399.17 billion market cap. So they all have different market cap. So next one, let's come to trade. This is trade. Let's come to trade. So this is trade. I click on trade. So you can see trade there. You can see first one, you can see convert at the top here. This convert that you are seeing here is used when you want to buy or sell a coin maybe that is below $5. because you can't buy or sell a coin in Binance if the volume of the coin you want to buy is less than $5. You can never buy or sell that coin under spot here. So you have to make use of this convert. This is convert. This is convert. So you have to, sorry, this is convert. You have to make use of convert here if the coin you want to buy is less than five. If the amount of the coin you want to buy or sell is less than $5, but if it's more than $5, you can buy it under spot here. You can just click on the market, then you can buy or sell any coin here. So that's about convert. The next one is spot. This spot means that you want to buy coin with your money, not with you are not borrowing funds from the what's it called, from the exchange. Like if you want to borrow funds from the exchange, you come to the futures here. But as a beginner, you are advised not to use future trading for now until you have mastered spot trading. Spot trading. So on this one, you have market order, we have limit order, we have stop limit order, we have trailing stop, we have OCO, we have algo order. I will make a video about all of this order, but like this market order now, it is here. It means that you want to buy the coin at the current market price. It's as simple as that. So that's about sports. Then I've talked about futures. If you want to buy a coin and you don't have the money to buy that amount of coin, but you want to borrow money from the exchange, it has its own risk. It also has its own advantage also. So I've also made a video about how to trade future. You can check the videos under my YouTube channel to watch it and understand how to go about it. Next one is wallet. So we click on wallet. We click on wallet. So here, this wallet, you can see all my assets here, all the assets that I have. So you can see BNB, NFT, NXS, BRD, PS, MBL. This spot will show you all the assets that you have, that you have in your wallet. So the next one is, you can see funding here. This is funding. On this funding, if they transfer, if you are to buy a coin, if you are to buy USDT or a coin from P2P, or they transfer it to you, sometimes those things will be under the funding. It won't be under your spot. It will be under the funding. So for you to transfer that, for you to make use of that coin, you have to transfer it from your funding account to your spot account. You have to click on this transfer here. You click on transfer. You click on transfer. I've clicked on transfer now. Then you see you can transfer from funding to your spot. You can transfer from spot to your funding. You can transfer from either of the two. You can transfer any coin that is in spot wallet to your funding wallet, or from funding wallet to your spot wallet. So that's it, guys. Those are the features there. So I think that's all about the Binance interface for beginners. If you find this video very valuable, kindly like, share, and subscribe to keep accessing more of my valuable videos in the future. I remain your friend, Shino Oladele.